Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert Word or Excel file to PDF with the WPS Office applications on your Android phone. So now let's just open the application first, WPS Office. So in here, you can just open the Word or Excel file that you want to convert. So for example, here I'm going to use this one, this Word or document file. Okay, now to convert it into PDF. So you can just finish your editing first, and here you can click on this button on the bottom left corner of your screen and go to File, and in here you can choose two options. You can go with Save As or Export to PDF directly. So let's try the Save As first. Click on it. Sorry. Okay, so you need to choose the location first. I'm going to just go with this and go to the My Documents. Here at the bottom, you'll see the format options. So you can just click on the drop down and choose PDF, this one. And after that, you can click on Export to PDF. So that's the first options. And the second options, let's go back first. Here on the file, you can go back to the home again, select the file again, and just click on Export to PDF directly. Go with basic. If you want to remove the WPS logo, then you need to subscribe or join into WPS Pro. I would just go with basic here and click on Export to PDF, and it will be saved to your device directly as a PDF file. You can just copy the link or share it as image or share as file if you want to share the file directly. And you can do the exact same steps with the Excel file. So whether it's resume, report, or spreadsheet, you can just use this method to create universally viewable PDF files right from your Android phone. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.